Hi, welcome to FluxBuilder, a no-code app builder, creates iOS and Android apps for your website with elegant UI design and rich e-commerce functionalities quickly and simply. This video guides you to edit the logo and color in light, dark theme for your mobile app using FluxBuilder App Builder. Log in to FluxBuilder. If you do not have an account, sign up for free with your email. Select the app you created or select any of the apps in the Featured Apps section below. As in the task list, we can check what we have done to complete the app. In this video, we will continue with the dark light theme. You can also directly navigate to this feature by going to Feature. In Branding, select Theme and Logo. In the feature, you can enable Dark Theme as default on app. Set up the logo, color for light, and dark theme. Please follow the video to know exactly how the app will change after setting the feature. In the next version of FluxBuilder, the config will be saved automatically without the Apply button. That's all. Let's subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get new videos for free. Thank you.